Bitcoin Cash to gain 1.7% by August 8, according to analyst CoinLore. Let's start with the current setup and see how the chart is moving. As of now, Bitcoin Cash has declined by 0.6% in the last 24 hours and is hovering near $213.60. Let's step into today's projections now. By August 8, CoinLore expects the asset to be at $217.29, which would be an increase of roughly 1.7%. Bitcoin Cash might advance to $213.82, according to Gov Capital, an increase near 0.1%. 30 rates highlights the outlook for dropping to $212, a potential decrease of 0.7%. A different analysis from Traders Union shows Bitcoin Cash could descend toward $211.05, roughly 1.2% down. And to end crypto, predictions projects $196.42 by August 8, showing a decline of 8%. This is the top yield scenario. You've seen 5 opinions for tomorrow. Let's take the next step. With all expert forecasts in, here's what it adds up to. From the compiled outlooks, the potential change in price could vary between a drop of 8% and a gain of 1.7%, depending on the analyst. When everything is tallied, crypto predictions has the top return with 8% escalation in value by tomorrow. As a result, you might end up with between $1 and $80 for every $1,000 you invest. When factoring in volatility, Gov Capital's forecast indicates the most likely price change with an 85.3% probability. Combining all 5 forecasts, I've prepared a single consensus outlook. Consensus valuation marks Bitcoin Cash around $210.12. Okay, let's walk through it. The consensus projection suggests a downward move of 1.6%. In parallel, your capital might also move higher by 1.6%. For a 1,000 entry, this move could imply $16 gained. The probability tied to the consensus projection working out is roughly 73.2%. Let's take a moment to explore the market direction for the next 3 days, based on analysts' views. CoinLore projects a climb for Bitcoin Cash across this period. Also, Gov Capital sees the chart tilted toward growth. 30 rate signals a neutral environment, where prices move without a clear direction. Likewise, Traders Union notes that short-term changes will be negligible. Crypto prediction signals a steady decline. By combining all analyst forecasts, the consensus points to Bitcoin Cash trading weaker in the days ahead. Overall, most analysts lean toward a bullish scenario for Bitcoin Cash. 5 forecasts came out 2 days ago. Now we look at their accuracy. Ultimately, the closing price printed $212.80. Yesterday showed that most analysts captured the correct move. Looking strictly at accuracy, 30 rates turned out most accurate. Now comes the breakdown. Yesterday's trading session contained 4 forecasts inside the range. Speaking of ROI, gains appeared across several forecasts, and 30 rates came out ahead with 0.7%. Let's move to the summary view, see how all forecasts performed overall. Also worth noting, 30 rates had a forecast probability of 82.8% accuracy and 0.7% ROI. Take a moment. Who's your pick for the best performing analyst here? And now you can see how the forecasted returns for tomorrow look across different cryptocurrencies compared to Bitcoin Cash. According to forecasts, Bitcoin Cash stands third, while Kronos holds first with 3.2%. At the moment, Bitcoin Cash is reviewed with 4 cryptocurrencies, but a full comparison featuring many others is already live on my website. That's a wrap for now. If you found this valuable or time-saving, don't forget to give it a like. See you in the next update.